Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at count function, types of count functions such as count, counter, count blank, countif, and countifs. In our previous video, we talked about sum if, sum ifs. The syntax is similar to that of sum functions, and today you're going to look at how you can apply count function in your work, in your Excel sheet. Okay, now let's go to the formula bar. If you look at the formula bar, you will see something like fx here. If you click on that fx button, you take it to the function wizard, where you can stay and look for any type of functions you want. For example, if I type font count, then I click go, it will bring all the things concerning count. So if you look at number 1 here, we are seeing count. If you go under there is a little bit explanation of what count is all about. So it's a count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers only. That contains number. If you look at number 2, it said it counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. That is counter. And then we have countifs. Countifs, it counts the number of cells within a range that met the given condition. Then we have the last one, countifs, which counts the number of cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria, just like we did in our sum if. If you watch that sum if, you understand what we did there, and that's the way it works here also. It's a conditional function. All right, let's go back and look at how we can apply that in our Excel work. Now, for count function, let's just visualize what I was trying to say there. Equal to count brackets. Then I want to count this cell from there to there. It will return 0. Just like it says there, it counts only numbers, only cells that bears numbers, not letters. Okay, let's look at number 2. You can see now that it gives us answer 12 cells. So it counts the number of cells. So far that there is number in these cells, it brings down the number of that cell. And then we're going to look at how counter work. Now remember, in that definition, when we check function wizard, it said counter count cells or ranges of cells that bears data. That is, maybe it might be number, alphabet. It counts everything. So let's just check that out. All right. Now you see, if I take this here, you see the formula bar, everything is here. Automatically it highlights this row for me, showing that it is 12 cells that is bearing this data. All right, that is how counter work. Let's see for this second cell, that is for amount. All right, so see, send 12. So counter counts both cells that bears numerical value or alphabetical value. These are the way you can apply counter and count function in your work. What about count blank? Count, just as the name implies now, it just counts cells that are blank. If you have a large file, you just want to see, wow, maybe I might have empty blanks, empty cells in my data. I want to just check out. You can just highlight everything and just type count blank, and automatically it will return the value. If there's any empty cells among your data, it will just return the value, tell you that this is how, and this is number of cells that are blank among your file. So how can count the number of cells written within a range that meets the given condition? So what are you trying to say now? So we have here, we have fruits, we have amount for the fruits. So I want to count apple. How many apple do we have in this very particular data? or items or list. How many apples do we have? How many oranges do we have? How many bananas do we have there? You can use Countif to easily find out the number of items you have in your data. All right, for example, this is where I am to look for what I need, and this is where I'm to get my results. So as equal to count if, then I highlight. All right, I highlight from A to Z. All right, from beginning to the end of that data, and then put comma, and I click on this, and then click enter. So now, because here is empty, now it's telling you there's 0. But how do I need to know what I'm looking for? Now, if I type apples, sorry, apples. All right, it's telling me that we have 3 apples among the fruits. And if you check, we have number 1, we have number 2, we have number 3, that is all. So anything you keep on typing here, it will be giving you the value. If I type oranges, we still have 3 oranges. If we check, we have 1, 2, and 3. So that is how to make use of Countif function in your Excel. Now let's go over to Countif, which is the last one concerning count functions. So in this data, what is the condition given, and what is the criteria for the Excel or the function to meet before it can turn and give me the result? The condition is that it must be an item among the fruits. We have apples, oranges, lemons, bananas. Here, it might be more than that. So that is the condition, the first range of cell. And the criteria is that this apple, it might be apple or any of these items, it must be greater than 100. This is the condition here. It must be greater than 100. Else, don't give me anything that is 100 or less than 100. So how do you evaluate this in Excel? Let's go about it. Equal to count if brackets. So I'll select apples down to Z. Then if you're using laptop and this is all this modern laptop, you can use Fn key and press your F4 function keys to make it absolute cell reference. So I put comma. Now that is the first range of cell. What is now the criteria for me to look at? It is the amount. Sorry, it is the cell, the criteria that I'm looking for now. So I'll click on apple, put comma. Then the second range of cell that I also to look at is the amount. So I click on it, I press my Fn key and F4 function on my keyboard to make it absolute cell reference, and then I put comma, then I put my quote. So what is the condition, the criteria that it must be? It must be greater than. So I put greater than on your keyboard, close it back, and then because you're using 2 type of condition, I'm going to put ampersand. So I'll put the ampersand here. It's also known as and. So I will now click the criteria here. All right. Then F4, hit enter. So apples now that is greater than 100, we have 2. Apples greater than 100, we have 2. If I change this thing from apples to oranges, oranges. So oranges greater than 100 is 0 because we don't have. If we check among the list, we don't have. But if I should just go there and change it, oranges, and change it from 20 here to 150 and hit enter. Okay, 150 and hit enter. If you go down, automatically I have 1 there. If I should go to another oranges and make it 100 to see how it works, now it's remain standard because I said it should be greater than 100. But if I just change it back to like 200, automatically I get 2. So this is how to make use of sum ifs function in Excel. Now, for you to be able to use this, you must understand the way you want to evaluate your own data. You must understand the way you want to evaluate your own data. That will give you a mind on how to put on your formulas. Now you can go on with different style or method. Okay, let's look at example 3. Another way you can make use of Countifs. You need to look at how you can find out from the fruit, apples, and type Fuji, and the amount is more than 100. How you can easily use Countif to find it out from your data. So let's just try that here now. So we put here Countifs. Okay. So you select the first cell. So I'm looking at apples here. So I'll put apple, for example, apples, comma. I got the second range of cell. Type, comma. Okay. Fuji. Okay, comma. And then we go to the amount. And we have to make it greater than 100 and hit enter. Sorry, I didn't close it back. Let me close that. I didn't put this at the end. All right. Okay, so 1. So from the whole data now, you can see there's only 1 apple that is of Fuji type and also more than 150. But what happens if I change another apple to Fuji, will I get the result? Let's check out. No, we won't get the result because the amount is not still more than 150. So let me just change it to 200. So automatically it counts it to 2. So let me highlight the cell. So now, if I change another apples to Fuji 2 and make it 300, it counts it and it is 3. So these are the way you can make use of Counta, Countblank, Countifs in Excel. Thank you for listening and watching the video. Please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Click the like button to like, and if you have any question to ask, anything to contribute, drop it in the comment box, and next time we'll discuss it together.